First, we need to conduct point cloud calculation for airborne or SLAM data to acquire POS and image information. Since this dataset is scanned via SLAM, click DOM Generation under the SLAM menu. Quick mode and professional mode are optional. Quick mode supports one-click DOM raster generation and point cloud color mapping. This video takes professional mode as an example for explanation. After entering the DOM module, photos and POS data will be imported automatically. For airborne laser scanning data, for SLAM data, a new task needs to be created. First, input the project name and the save path for final task outputs. It is recommended to set the job path on an SSD to shorten the runtime. In the second step, import photos and POS data. Note: only forward view images need to be imported for SLAM data. Then import the POS position information. Skip the first line if it is the header. Select the appropriate coordinate system. Match each line of data one by one. Input camera type, sensor size and focal length. The rest will be calculated automatically. In addition, this section will be imported automatically for airborne laser data. Then select Advanced Aerial Triangulation and configure other parameters as required. You can modify other corresponding parameters according to your demands. Or keep default settings if no adjustment is needed. Select the generated 2D map. Adjust resolution with scaling factor. A larger factor brings lower resolution. Resolution can also be adjusted by changing pixel size. Click to start the task. Click the arrow position to quickly locate the generated 2D products. Besides, the software supports online DOM viewing. Right-click raster and locate the save path of 2D products for checking. If the data is airborne data, point clouds can be colored through DOM. Coloring like this prevents layering and achieves better accuracy. Select Ortho Image, set image file to the path where DOM is stored. Click OK to perform colorization.